What is up, guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're going to be unboxing the brand new 2020 Marantz 5015. This is an amazing receiver. You guys know that we love Marantz. I really believe that they provide a quality product for the average consumer at a very reasonable price point. This is just an unboxing video, but like I said, subscribe because we're going to be doing installation videos and showing this thing in action and some demos. All right, let's get into this unboxing. All right, let's open this thing up. The 5015 is the first model in the SR lineup. They have the 5015, 6015, 7015, and the big old bad boy, the 8015, which now does 13 channel processing. This is a 7 channel. So like for most guys, you know, we do thousands of theaters. A 5.1.2 is without a doubt our best selling configuration for people just starting out in home theater because it gives you that Dolby Atmos effect. You still get the audio transferring through the brand, but it's at a very reasonable price point. Now I do want to mention, this is not how Marantz sends us the product, and that's not how, say, if you buy it on Amazon, you're gonna get it. Dreamedia, we have had some issues with product arriving damaged to the customers' homes, and now we just double wrap everything to ensure that the product doesn't get damaged in shipping. And if it does get damaged in shipping, you don't need to worry. We insure all of our packages, and we will get you a new one out right away. We really appreciate y'all's support, and we want to deliver that 5-star experience to you, even if something bad does happen. All right, let's get this thing out of the package and take a look. All right, guys, I got this pulled out of the outer box, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look. The SR5015 is one of my favorite models. We've been using this ever since we had the 5011, 5012, 5013, 5014. It's just been a really good performer for my clients. And it's a great choice because, you know, 7-channel systems are affordable and they fit everybody's budget. So this is gonna be comparable to that dead-end 2700, except for it's a more premium. It is the modern musical luxury model. So everybody says that these Marantzes sound more musical, and I agree. It's definitely like the Toyota to Lexus, but it's not a crazy price jump. They're actually within the same sister company. I really, really love Marantz and Denon. I've just had great results, low fail rates, which is really important to me as a business owner, that as we sell this equipment, it lasts. Because if you look online at our reputation, you know, we're 5-star rated, and there's a reason. We hand-pick products that we believe in and we think will last long term and perform well at the same time. Okay, so first thing you see on top is that Marantz and Hios app. The Marantz and Hios app are great because with the Hios you can do multi-room streaming. I'll give you some light here. With the Marantz app, you can control the AVR, like all of the settings and whatnot, as well as adjust your level calibration, change your surround sound mode, source, all that. This multi-room software, though, is comparable to like Sonos. I really enjoy this because it comes built into the AVR at no extra cost. You can do just this one zone as a 7-channel surround system, or you can do a full like 5.1 and then power up your patio at the same time. Now, if you don't want to use the app, the remote does everything that the app does and then some. You can control everything. Let me give you an up-close shot of that. You got batteries here included. Odyssey Setup. So this is really important, guys. You have to run the Odyssey microphone. What this does, you put it in the primary seating area with this little microphone stand right here, and then it's going to assign crossovers and do room correction to make it sound a lot better. If you don't run this, you're just wasting your money. They got a little quick user guide. You got the limited warranty back here, and then all of these tags for labeling your wiring. I really like this, that they include that, because it lines right up with the color-coded labels on the back of the speaker terminals. So as you're toning out your lines, if you're DIYing it, it just makes it a breeze. Warranty. If you guys are buying on the internet, obviously you're watching our video right now, you want to make sure that you're buying from an authorized reseller. You know, you want that full 3-year warranty. We really pride ourselves on our relationships with the manufacturers. We are a direct dealer with Sound United, Den and Marantz, and you will get that full manufacturer's warranty. You got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas here, as well as in here you got the AM/FM antennas, which nobody really uses, but it's in there. All right, let's get to the good part. Pull this unit out. Oh, there was the power cord. I'll tell you, they just had it right here. Nice heavy duty power cord. Now I'm gonna back this thing up so you guys can see the back of the unit and we can talk about it a little bit. This is where all the magic happens. Okay guys, this is the back of the unit. Over here you got your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas here and here. And then you got digital audio ins right here. Network connection. We always recommend that you hardwire your components. It just makes everything operate a lot more seamlessly rather than relying on the Wi-Fi. You got 6 HDMI ins here, as well as an 8K port. This is new for 2020. It's groundbreaking technology. Everything's leaning towards 8K. Maybe not something you're gonna use right now, but it's nice to have that option available. Kind of like when we went from 1080p to 4K. You got your monitor one that actually has eARC and ARC, and then a monitor 2 as well. And that has one HDMI that's 8K, and the other one's DHCP 2.3 4K port. You got your triggers, RS-232, and the flasher. It's all for control. You got video, component, composite, you know, really old school connections there for older devices that maybe you want to integrate into the system. Over here is your AM and FM antenna I was talking about. Audio ins, you got a ground. This is important. You got audio in assignables here, right here. And then over here, these are pre-outs. So say like you start to get into a higher end setup and you need more power for your big old speakers, you can take pre-out into individual amplifiers, which will allow it to run more efficient and clean. You also have your subwoofer outs. The reason that the subwoofer pre-outs are here is because you use LFE for subwoofers. They have their own internal amplifier, most of them. I say that because you have in-wall subwoofers that we sell, and those will have a separate amplifier that you could just pair with this. So you would take the audio out of here into that amplifier, just like if you were to do separates, and then it goes out to the subwoofer with speaker wire. This is all your speaker connections here. So at the bare minimum, you guys are gonna run a front, left, right, center, and surround left, right. That's gonna consist of a 5-1 system, which is your most basic surround sound format. You go up to a 5-2, you're gonna hook up your second sub. And then if you wanna do a 7-2, you would utilize all of these and then these 2 subs. Or my best selling configuration, and one that I strongly recommend if you're gonna buy this unit, is going to be a 5.1 or 2 subs, and then utilize these surrounds, the surround backs, as Atmos. Dolby Atmos is our leading surround sound format, and that's because it separates out height effects from low effects, giving you a very immersive and realistic experience. All of our customers are just amazed when we play our demos. You guys gotta subscribe to the channel because we got a ton of demo videos and install videos to give you guys inspiration. It's pretty cool. We really have a community going here of subscribers. ACN is over here, and that's about it for the back of the unit. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around so you guys can see the front. Still has a lot of the same connections and buttons here. Power button, input selector, volume. It'll display right here your source and volume and stuff like that. And then you have the Pure Direct phones input, D-Max, Zone 2, the source for Zone 2, tuner, dimmer, status, sound mode, and then they have this little deal that pops down for your Odyssey Setup mic for the room correction, and then an aux input. No HDMI on the front of this one. They're all 6 on the back. You got a USB here, and this is for your if you wanted to stick an IR sensor to the front, or if you wanted to point the remote, that's where you'd point it. You can see this does have HEOS, Alexa, Google Assistant, Spotify. I didn't really go over the power ratings. It's 100 watts a channel, 8 ohms driven, and that's only on, or sorry, 8 ohms with 2 channels driven. So this is a really controversial discussion right here, but it's kind of interesting because it'll say like it's 100 watts, you know, a channel, but they don't really say that it's only 2 channels driven. So that's why I had that discussion about separates and why you might want to get additional power. And that's why those connections are there in the back. 8K, 4K, 120, VRR, HDR 10 plus. It's got Roon, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Dolby Atmos. I mean, what more do you want? This thing has it all, and it's pretty affordable. Retail price point on this guy is at $1,099. Not bad at all. And again, guys, when you reach out to us, you get the guaranteed lowest price with nationwide free shipping. And we also have a very extensive installer network, so you guys will have to ask about that as well when you call in, because not everybody is going to want to install it themselves, and we know that. So we have guys that really believe in 5-star service, and just like us, they're going to deliver that to you as part of our preferred partner program. All right, guys, well, I believe I covered everything. I hope that wasn't too much info that bored you. I hope it was just enough. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Again, we have just so many different types of videos out there, a little bit of something for everybody, and you gotta check out those overview videos because there's a lot of inspiration that you can find of other people's homes where we've done projects like installing this unit, so you can actually see it in action. Also utilize our free design service. Our audio video consultants are really passionate about this, just like myself. We've spent our entire life doing these systems, so we can definitely find something that fits your needs and budget. Well, if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.